The age-old question, dollar cost averaging versus lump sum investing. Which is actually better? We're going to answer that question in this video. Let's go. Whoosh, whoosh. What's going on, people? It's your boy Kalechi back with another video. If this is your first time around these parts, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy anything that we talk about in this video, hit that like button. Turn that thing blue. But anyway, in this video, we're going to be talking about the differences between dollar cost averaging and lump sum investing and which one is actually better. Inspiration for this video was actually an article that I read from M1 Finance's website. If you don't know what M1 Finance is one of the brokerages that is available for you to actually trade and invest for free. I really enjoy their software because of all the automatic features that they have on there and the way that they try to help you to rebalance your portfolio. If you want to get started with M1 Finance, hit that link in the description. And if you deposit $100 into your account, you actually get $10 back. By the way, if you do that, I get $10 too. So, that's all just as a heads up. But anyway, in the article, they were comparing dollar cost averaging. If you don't know what dollar cost averaging is, let's say you have $1,000. Instead of you investing that $1,000 immediately into the stock market, you take your time with it. You say, you know what, over the next 10 weeks, I'm gonna invest $100. So every week, whether the stock market is up or down, you invest $100. So every single week you're investing $100, you invest $100, you invest $100. And over the course of the 10 weeks, if the market is up, you buy less shares. If the market is down, you buy more shares, which is the entire idea of dollar cost averaging. It makes it easier for you not to try to time the market. On the other hand, we have lump sum investing. Lump sum investing is you get $1,000, you take that $1,000 and you say, you know what? I'm just throwing this thing in the market. Some people try to time and say, when is the perfect time I need to throw my money in? And some people just say, I have this $1,000, might as well just throw it in the market. And Vanguard ran various studies comparing lump sum investing to dollar cost averaging. And what they found was actually pretty surprising. What Vanguard found in the study was that 66% of the time, lump sum investing was better. Yeah, I know, surprising. I thought for sure dollar cost averaging was going to be better because of how everybody talks about dollar cost averaging. I mean, even me, I'm a fan of dollar cost averaging into everything. I'm like, yo, just DCA your way in, DCA your way in, DCA your way in. Just do the DCA. Yeah, I like that. Do the DCA. Do the DCA.
Nope.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to stop now. But anyway, the point was I legit thought and I truly believed that dollar cost averaging would win outright, but it said that 66% of the time, which is about a third of the time, you're better off just investing the money immediately. And the reason for that is you get to have the run-ups of the market because in general, in the long run, the market generally goes up over time. And so when you dollar cost average your way in, you can miss some of the growth of the market. Yeah, you may be able to buy more and that can help you, but that was that 33% of the time where dollar cost averaging actually helped you. But most of the time, it's better for you to just invest all your money at one time. Mind blowing. However, there's a catch to this. So you see, the problem with the study is most of us actually don't just have $1,000 that we just want to let go of. I mean, if you're making some extra change on the side, you probably have $1,000. But I know I don't have just $1,000 sitting somewhere that's just sitting there. Most of us do not just have $1,000 to invest in one go. For most of us, we're gonna have to dollar cost average our way in through things like our 401k, our IRAs, and all the other investing accounts that we have. At the end of the day, the most important thing is not whether you're dollar cost averaging or you're lump sum investing. The most important thing is that you're actually investing consistently. You're actually taking a percentage of your paycheck and investing that thing consistently. That's the more important thing. Yes, a lot of us, if we had $10,000 that just fell out of the sky into our pockets, we'll try to figure out the best way to invest it, which now we know that lump sum investing is actually better than dollar cost averaging. However, most of us don't just have that amount of money just in our laps, so just holding onto it. Most of us, regular W-2 citizens of this world, have to dollar cost average our way in, which is the second best option. In other words, just invest consistently. Anyway, that's all I got for y'all in this video. I hope y'all learned one, maybe two things out of this entire thing. I apologize for all the dancing and all the singing that I've been doing on these videos, because your boy just gets excited because he's a weird financial nerd who loves talking about things that has to do with finances. But if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like on this thing. If you loved it, please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any episode in the future. But anyways, being your boy Kalichi, I'm gonna catch you all up on the next one. Remember, generosity is always greater than greed. God bless each and every single one of y'all, and I'm out. Peace. Whoosh.